Hello everybody. Today we're going to make a 360-degree cooking video. I want to make my favorite, or one of my favorite sandwiches. Let's just move this out of the way. So it's a super simple tomato sandwich. It's got very few ingredients. All you need is 2 slices of bread, good bread, tomato, 1 clove of garlic, kosher salt, and some mayonnaise. Good mayonnaise. I don't like Hellmann's, but this is from Trader Joe's. This is perfectly good. It's got the tang. It's really what you want. So, first step, take your 2 slices of bread. I want to put it over there in my toaster oven. I'm going to get those nice and toasted up. Now you don't want it to get too toasty. You want it to be just a nice, even, crispy crunch. Now, take your tomato, let's wash it off a little bit, give it a quick rinse. Alright, take a paper towel over here and just dry that off. And we're going to slice it nice and to the thickness of your heart's desire. But let's just take a few slices off here, take the end off. I like mine to be about that thin, you know, maybe, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch. Oh, that was not good. Did a few good slices. Just nice and juicy there. Oh, that looks good. Done it? Alright, perfect. Put that to the side. Now, we've got our garlic. 1 clove is all we need for this. Take it, smash. Get the peel off there. I like to just cut the little tip off so we don't get any hard bits that we don't want to eat. Next, take your clove and just little incisions. We want to mince this really finely. Alright? And we're going to slice, slice, slice as fine as we can get it. Alright? Give a few more chops, and then what we're going to do, take your kosher salt right here, sprinkle just a little bit of that salt on there. Actually, not a little bit, a medium amount. Alright, because we're going to use that to make a paste. And what the salt does is it both seasons it and it acts as a sort of as a grit to really crush up the garlic. So you're going to take your knife, be careful with this, the palm of your hand, and you're just going to smush the garlic. And the idea, really get in there, you're going to smush it up, make it break down the walls, and make a nice, creamy sort of paste. And that is good. Look at that. Feel it. It's almost a little bit sandy because of the salt, but it's going to be really delicious. You can chop it up a little bit more, smear it out, scrape it up. Perfect. Alright, now we are ready. Let's go check on our bread and see how it's doing. The bread is going to need just a little bit more time. But while we are waiting for that, we can do a little cleanup. I'm going to go get a plastic bag. I like to save the rest of the tomato. There's no sense in wasting a nice, good tomato. And we can use that for something else. Slice it up in another kind of sandwich. Who knows? But we have that. So while we're waiting, also let's get a plate. Assemble that. Looks like our bread is just about done, so I'm going to uncap our mayonnaise and I'll get a bread gun. Alright, so 2 pieces of bread, very nicely toasted. We got a little bit of grill mark there. Take your spoon and just get a nice hefty dollop on each side. Alright. Do not be stingy about the mayonnaise. This is one of the few ingredients. And then we're just gonna really spread that along the bread. Nice and even. Get it in the pores. The heat from the bread will kind of melt that up. That's going to be good. There we go. Now let's take our tomato slices. We're going to lay it down there. Overlap them. Get coverage. Look at that. Ooh. Beautiful. Now, let's take our garlic paste that we made. Pick that up with your knife, and you can just, honestly, just spread it over. There's a lot of flavor in there. Get in the nooks and crannies of the tomato. And then what I like to do, this is a step a lot of people don't know. I like to just take my chef's knife here, and I like to just smush the tomato up in there, chop it up, get it going, then take your other piece of bread, bam, on top there, clean it up, and then let's just cut that in half. Ooh, you hear that crunch? There's your cross section, and baby, that's a good sandwich. You get the nuttiness of the whole wheat bread there. Really juicy, good tomato. Garlic, salt comes through, and obviously the fat of the mayonnaise is delicious. All in all, that's a heck of a sandwich.